Aloha, my name is Heather Smith Lee. I am the Director of Law Student Financial Assistance at the Law School. We will be reviewing some general financial aid information. Tuition and cost of attendance. Cost of attendance is going to be your overall budget. There are a lot of numbers on this page, but it's broken down into your residency status, which will be determined after you are admitted into our program. We have resident, non-resident, and any tuition exemption. The top two rows are tuition and fees, which will be mandatory expenses to the university each semester. Below that are cost of living expenses, meals and housing, personal expenses, all determined by the university. At the bottom will be the overall budget that you're kind of keeping in mind as you prepare to finance your legal education at our law school. Applying for financial aid is through the FAFSA, free application online through the federal government. If you are eligible for financial aid through the federal government, you will be applying for our need-based aid, which is our Richardson Opportunity Grant, federal loans, work study, and scholarships. The William S. Richardson School of Law shares the same school code as our main campus, the University of Hawaii at Manoa. One quick tip is that as you're applying for financial aid, you are considered at an independent status because you're applying for law school. You are not required to submit any parental financial information. Free money. Scholarships. This is a big one. A lot of students want to secure as many scholarships as possible. Your admissions application will automatically be reviewed for merit-based scholarship information. If you need more information on that, please visit our website where we have some nice scholarship grids that were created by our admissions team. Separate from that, we encourage all of our students to apply for external scholarships that are outside of our institution. We have a really nice webpage on our website that we populate with community-based scholarships and scholarships that were secured by our students. Other search engines exist that are a great starting off point for you to search for other scholarships. We have the Access Lex Scholarship Data Bank, Admissions Dean search engine. So if scholarships are important to you, there are a lot of great resources for you to find them. So for example, the Access Lex Scholarship Data Bank has some different features. One of them is to search for scholarships in a chronological order by deadline. Let's say it's January. You need a couple of months to revise your scholarship essay, kind of review the eligibility. I click April to see what's available for April deadline. 4 scholarships are available. So hey, I'm going to bookmark that and put that in my to-do list and have that over the next couple of months to work on. If it's important for you to find scholarship money, pencil it into your calendars, add those reminders, do your searches once a week, twice a week, apply. One quick tip is to repurpose your carefully crafted admissions statement to use that for your scholarship essays. Still tailor it to what it's asking for, add a paragraph, take a paragraph out, but at least you have a jumping off point and not starting from scratch. Borrowing is a reality for many students, and sometimes it's going to be the first time that you're taking out a loan. So understand what that means by doing your research, finding out what you really need to borrow for, and seeing what you're eligible for. Access Lex and studentaid.gov through the federal government has calculator resources that, you play around with it. Access Lex generates all of the cost of attendance information automatically for each law school. If you get scholarship, you $5,000 here, $10,000 there, kind of add that in. You can compare each law school to each other. If you stay in Hawaii with a $5,000 scholarship, what does that mean compared to moving to California for a $10,000 scholarship and the tuition involved in both of them? All of it matters. So see where you can get your best deal and make the best decision for yourself. Lastly, there are additional pre-law resources also through Access Lex. About 99% of the resources are free, so I encourage everybody, pre-law, current students, graduates, to use their resources. They are created for our law students to make the best decisions that they can based off of the information that they have. So Access Lex creates workshops and worksheets, and they also have one-on-one counseling available. I am also available to meet one-on-one. You can please contact me through email, smithhea@hawaii.edu. Mahalo.